What is up, YouTube fam? It is your girl TK, and how you doing? I hope you guys are having a really good day, evening, night, afternoon. Happy holidays, honey. Tis the season to wear flat twists. Listen, if you are looking for a style where it is simple yet cute, absolutely love it. I love my flat twist so much because it's very simple yet chic and cute. It is good for an interview. It is good for the corporate feel. It is good because you want to protect your natural hair without adding that extra necessity to it. Because let's face it, even lace fronts can take your hair out, especially them edges if you don't know how to put the glue on correctly. So you want to protect your hair, in this season. So 'tis the season to wear flat twists. So I'm just gonna do a 360 for you or whatever, because I am feeling a little cute. So this is the flat twist up close. And it's a really cute updo. So let's get to work. What I am about to do right now is place a black scrunchie on my hair. That's what I call them. They are a little bit safer for your hair compared to the rubber bands. Now, I have to let you guys know your homegirl is not the best parter. Plus, I can't see you in the back of my head. But I am willing to do the best I can. So what I'm doing right now is about to start the flat twist. And basically, I am going from left to right, basically flat twisting my hair all the way down. And as a side note, I just want you guys to know that when you're doing this flat twisting style, it is really a simple style. I mean, if you are new to flat twisting, hun, you're going to really love this because it doesn't take much to learn how to flat twist your hair. And yeah, it's a fun way to take your hair from looking like Celie from The Color Purple to looking like a whole snack in these streets. And that's on period. Yes, ma'am. All right, YouTube fam, so now the fun part begins, honey. We are now going to take a section of my hair, place it into a rubber band as I am doing right now, And as I place my hair in a rubber band, the section that is loose, I am going to twist it from, well, I'm going to start from the left side and twist it going right, because I want my hair to, go a certain direction. And once I twist my hair towards the right, I am going to attach a rubber band on my hair, because I need my hair to be held, honey. And honestly, the only way my hair can stay in place is if I use a rubber band. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do that for each section that I worked on. Just, separate it, place the other hair in the rubber band, and then I'll start, twisting it from the left towards the right, insert a rubber band on it, and that's very simple. I think it's so simple that if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. It is a very, very simple and very, very fun. And I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I promise you it's going to be very cute once I'm completed. So at this point, what you have seen me doing, or what I am doing now, is basically taking the front of my hair, that very top part, and I'm going to loop it backwards. So that's what I'm about to do now, and then I'm going to actually place a bobby pin on it. So I am going to be using bobby pins to secure my hair. Now the other parts of the hair, the other sections I should say, I'm going to loop them going forward, and then I'm going to add a bobby pin in that area as well, just to secure it. And I mean, when I say it's really simple, it is super simple. And I'm going to just let you look at the last piece, which is going to go straight up so it can't stop anymore. I'll add the bobby pin on there and just loop it up and secure it with as many bobby pins as I think is necessary to achieve the look that I am going for. And that's period. So at this point, it is now time to use that She Is Bomb Edge Control. Now, I'm not sure if you guys don't know, but this She Is Bomb Edge Control is good for relaxed hair or natural hair. So basically, you don't have to be natural to use the She Is Bomb. It's really good. It doesn't leave your hair flaky. And it doesn't leave too much of a white coating. I did think I did have a white coating, but no, it was good. It has been good. And right now, what I am going to be using now is my edge control brush. And the color is purple, honey. Y'all know that's one of my favorite colors. But yeah, back to the subject at hand. I am going to be using my edge control brush. And I'm going to place my edges or sweep my edges down how I deem or how I like them. Also, I did get this edge control brush from Amazon. I didn't pay no more than $5 to, let's say, $10. I don't know exactly how much, but it wasn't that expensive. You know, it was budget friendly for me. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. It's just basically swooping my edges down exactly how I would like them. And as you can see, the edge control does not leave a white cast. It's real cute. It's real good. Well, anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm going to ask that you comment, like, and subscribe. Also, keep your notifications on so you will know when I am online and doing what I am doing best, and that is talking about my natural hair. And also, if you haven't, add me on Instagram so I know it's real. Look, my Instagram is TK underscore KNOWLES01. Again, my Instagram name is TK underscore KNOWLES01. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and happiness. You guys stay safe. Happy holidays. Bye.